Hello. Well, I found what I thought would be an appropriate size screwdriver, and it does indeed fit the screws, all four of them, because they are identical, but three of them are so tight I cannot get them to move at all. So I will return to look for a bigger screwdriver, or maybe a socket wrench adapter thing that will let me do screws. I'm just not sure yet. And of course, if it becomes too troublesome, maybe I'll just try turning it on after I set it down again. I'm just glancing in the car to see if I happen to have a screwdriver at an appropriate size in there, and I don't see one. I think what's happened with this is just the screwdriver bit is the right size, but the handle is really too small to really get a good oomph on. Oh dear. It never ends. Anyway, thank you very much for coming. We're getting there. Stay tuned. Bye for now.